Good morning students. Today I will teach you second chapter of Alien Hand, that is bringing up Kari. This lesson is about a baby elephant whose name was Kari. In this chapter we can see that how he had helped a life of a boy, and so many commands also we can teach the elephant, how we can teach the elephant, that we can see in this chapter. So let us start. Kari was a baby elephant. He was 5 months old when he was given to his 9 years old friend to be taken care of. They lived and grew together. Kari's home was a pavilion under a thatched roof resting on thick tree stump. It was built in that way so that when Kari moved, it could not fall. Kari ate and played with young delicious twigs. Every day he needed about 16 kilograms of twigs. Every morning Kari enjoyed a bath in the river. His friend rubbed sand and water on his back for a long time. His skin shone like ebony. On coming out of the river. After the bath, his friend would lead Kari by the ear and leave him at the edge of the forest. Then he went to collect twigs and saplings for Kari. This was not an easy job. To collect twigs and saplings for Kari. For collecting tender and delicate twigs, his friend had to climb all kinds of trees and cut them carefully. Because if a twig was mutilated, Kari did not touch it. Kari once saved life of a boy. His friend was collecting young branches of the banyan tree when he heard Kari's calling. He rushed to the river bank. He saw Kari struggling in the water. When Kari saw his friend, he came to the shore and pushed his friend into the water. There was a boy floating just above the riverbed. The otter pulled up the boy, but he could not reach the shore. He was not a good swimmer. Seeing his friend struggling, Kari darted like a hawk and came halfway through the river and stretched out his trunk for the otter to catch. The otter failed to catch his trunk and began drowning, but the river was not deep. He sank to the river bed and then kicked it so hard that he shot up like an arrow. Kari caught them with his trunk and brought them to safety. Kari, he was like a baby, and he had to be taught to be good and scolded for his mischiefs. Kari began liking ripe bananas. He began stealing them from the dining room of his friend's house. Nobody understood where the bananas went and they blamed each other for it. The author one day was very surprised to see bananas smashed up in Kari's pavilion. Next day, he was sitting in the dining room when he saw a thing like a snake that came through the window and disappeared with the bananas. He got very frightened. He ran out and went to Kari's pavilion. There he saw that Kari was eating bananas. He understood that Kari was the thief. He told everyone about this and scolded Kari for his mischief. Kari never repeated this mistake again. An elephant accepts punishment for his wrongdoing, but if punished without any reason, he takes his revenge. Elephant, like children, need to be taught certain things like when to sit down, when to walk fast, and when to walk slow. To make them sit, they must be pulled by the ear and said dhat. To make them walk, pull their trunk forward and say Mali. Kari learned Mali in 3 lessons, but took 3 weeks to learn that. Why? Because elephants are very heavy and they are very slow in movement. It is important to teach an elephant to sit down so that people can climb onto its back easily. It is not possible to use a ladder every time to climb on the back of an elephant. The most important thing that an elephant must learn is the master call. An elephant takes 5 years to learn it. It is a strange combination of hissing and howling sounds, which must be made in his ear. If you get lost in the jungle and don't know how to get out, just give your elephant a master call. He will pull these trees, frighten away the animals, and make a way for you straight to your home. So the master call is very important command, and it takes 5 years to teach an elephant. So it is very important also to teach the elephant. So we can see that through master call, if anybody is lost in the jungle and if he gives master call, the elephant comes out by pulling the trees and makes way through the road to his house. So this is important. Now this lesson is over. Tomorrow in the next class we will do the question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.